Thank you for your interest in our Microsoft Dynamics NAV solution. This tour will show the creation and processing of a purchase order in Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2013 R2. We will cover three things: how to create a purchase order, receive a purchase order, and invoice the purchase order. Click the play button to review the demo. Here we see a role center. Role centers provide the ability for purchasing, warehouse, and accounts payable users to have a personalized work area to focus on their specific job functions, helping them to prioritize work, monitor performance, and simplify navigation. Click on the New Purchase Order in Activities to start a new PO. Here we see the purchase order header and line grid. Click on the number field in the header to assign the next sequential purchase order number. Dynamics NAV provides the ability to have different order number series to identify different sources of orders if desired. The lookup icon next to the purchase order number is selected to change the order series. Purchase order number 106026 is assigned from the number series. The Find As You Type feature of Dynamics NAV is presented when the number 4 is entered, showing all vendor numbers beginning with the number 4. Find As You Type can be changed easily by selecting another field such as name, city, zip to filter on during data entry. This feature eases the ability to find vendor information during purchase order entry. Vendor information is populated in the purchase order header from the vendor card. Controlling where the cursor jumps can speed data entry and is a personalization feature that end users can control by designating a quick entry field on the Customizing Fast tabs. Even though several data entry fields were skipped, the user can go back to a skipped field by clicking on that desired field. Click the Type field to enter I for item. Click the Number field beside the Type field to select the item. Select item 1900-S. Click Quantity to enter 1 in the field. Click NO field to enter 1924. Two inventory items have been added to this PO. The next step is to release the purchase order, which gives the warehouse visibility to receive the product. The purchasing agent also has the option to select Approval on the ribbon, which initiates a document approval process based upon the dollar amount of the PO. The document status is updated to show pending approval until the PO is approved, and then the status changes to released. Click Release from the ribbon. Let's close the new purchase order. Click OK. We have completed the process of entering a new purchase order and releasing it for the warehouse to receive. Click anywhere on the screen to continue to the next step. Here we see a role center for a warehouse worker to receive, ship, and put away items into inventory. We have changed our role. Click Warehouse Receipts on the navigation pane. Click New. This creates a new warehouse receipt document for goods that have just arrived at the receiving dock. Click again to enter green for the receiving location. The location code can be set by default in the Employee Warehouse table to eliminate the data entry. Click Get Source Documents icon for a list of all received POs for the green location. Click the PO line 106026. By selecting which purchase orders are being received by this warehouse receipt, each PO selected generates a warehouse receipt line. Click the Post Receipt from the ribbon. The two items we received are now ready for posting. Click Yes to post the warehouse receipt. We have finished the posting update. Click OK to continue. The warehouse receipt has been received into inventory. Click Roll Center on the navigation homepage. Select Unassigned Putaways from the inbound activities. Putaways can be assigned to an individual warehouse worker if desired at time of creating warehouse receipt. Select PU4. Click Edit on the ribbon. Click Register Putaway. Registering Putaway removes items from the receiving area and puts them into the zone, bin, or shelf in the green location. We have completed the process of receiving the PO into the green warehouse and then put away into the storage location. Click Roll Center. Here we see the Roll Center for accounts payable. Click Purchase Orders on the navigation pane. Click PO number 106026. Click Vendor Invoice Number. Click again to enter invoice number 2345-1. Select Post from the ribbon. Notice that both items have been received, therefore vendor invoice number can be entered, completing the three-way match of purchase order, receipt, and vendor invoice. Here we select Receive an Invoice. Posting PO as Receive an Invoice creates the Open Accounts Payable entry and updates the vendor balance. Click OK. PO 106026 has been deleted since the PO has been completely received and invoiced. Click Vendors on the navigation homepage to continue. Click on vendor 40,000. Select the highlighted value of $552.20 in the balance field for the vendor statistic fact box on the right side of the screen to see the vendor balance for Lewis Home Furniture. There are 2 vendor invoices open that make up the balance of $552.20. Invoice 2345-1 is highlighted. Let's select Navigate from the ribbon. Here we can see all the related transactions to the posted purchase invoice. The details can be reviewed by highlighting and selecting Show Related Entries from the ribbon. Click OK to close this window. Returning back to the list of vendors after drilling down on vendor balance, let's select Close. Click Roll Center on the navigation homepage. The same process can be used from the vendor list when a vendor calls and wants to know the status of a PO or an invoice payment. We have just completed the process of creating a purchase order, receiving a purchase order invoice from the vendor, and generating an AP invoice against the vendor's account. Thank you for watching our purchase order processing tour of Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2013 R2.